This AI just made my boring talking head video look like a Netflix documentary. And before I show you exactly how this works, make sure to click the link in the description below to grab your special discount on Submagic. Trust me, you'll want this after seeing what I'm about to show you. So here's the thing, we've all been there. You record a video, you think it's decent content, but when you watch it back, it's just you talking to a camera. It's giving more awkward Zoom call than viral content creator. And let's be honest, in today's world, boring videos get scrolled past faster than you can say algorithm. That's where Submagic's B-roll feature comes in, and it's honestly kind of ridiculous how simple this is. You literally click one button called Magic B-rolls, and boom, your video transforms from amateur hour to professional production. We're talking thousands of high-quality, royalty-free clips that get automatically matched to your content. Here's what makes this actually magical. The AI doesn't just randomly throw stock footage at your video. It analyzes what you're saying and finds relevant, engaging B-roll that actually makes sense. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with Submagic's auto captions in 48 languages, so you're getting the full package: professional B-roll, dynamic captions, all working together. Now, the free plan gives you access to some B-roll, but if you want the premium Storyblocks integration with the really good stuff, you'll want the growth plan at $50 a month. And honestly, when you see how this transforms your content, it's a no-brainer investment. The only downside? If you're creating tons of content, you might start seeing some repeat footage. But for most creators, the selection is more than enough to keep your videos fresh and engaging. So if you're tired of your videos looking like they were made in 2010, click that link in the description, grab your Submagic discount, and start creating content that actually stops the scroll. Your future viral self will thank you.